Have you ever noticed your dog sneezing out of the blue? This unique behavior isn't just a random occurrence, it's often a form of communication. When dogs sneeze, especially during play, it can signal excitement or a desire to engage. This is known as play sneezing and is their way of saying, "Let's keep the fun going." Additionally, sneezing helps dogs clear their nasal passages, especially if they're feeling a bit congested. It's fascinating how this simple action holds so much significance. So next time your pup lets out a sneeze, pay attention. Did you know this? Share your thoughts in the comments and follow for more daily dog facts.